Now I will kill you. I am a Hindu.
You killed my cow?
You killed my cow? Why did you kill my cow? It was such a nice cow. It was so funny.
You gotta take a drink of the 40s for that, man.
Hey, you ever crack up?
What you mean crack up?
You just couldn't take the world anymore. You start crying and stuff. But you don't say, this is the key. Don't let anybody see you. Fuck you left and right. Oh, he's crying. He's a pussy. No, that's true. I cracked the fine head. Oh, you're a bunch of pussies. Fuck you, man. I'm not a pussy. I'll keep my fucking face. Become the cops. So with the truck. So what?
Come on, bring out Poochie, Tommy.
Wow, you mother! Ow! Stop biting me! Ow! Hey, she hurts my leg?
Go after your leg, man.
Oh, get worse.
Go after...
Now for epic, baby. Yeah,
No 40s, man. Bring out the 40s, man.
Ice cold, man. Ice cold. She's out this morning. Damn.
What are you looking at?
Damn, man. What's up? No, I'm good, man. Yeah, for Mary Jane. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I got a connection. I got no money. Like the past year. Hey, you know my girlfriend Tina, right? Yeah. She can hook you up, man.
Your girlfriend Tina, the fat one inside?
I got a couple girlfriends. Tina? What? No, she is some good stuff.
Tommy, what about the Hindu blowjob?
Oh, that's when the girl... You never had one? Well, it was a wet dream I had. Made the neighbor down there. She goes through to the big white hole. That's the whole job I ever had in my life.
Where's the cows, man? What you do with my cows?
Oh, listen, do not kill, please wait. Do not kill my cow. It was a good cow. It gave me milk all day, and I used moose nuts.
Oh, man.